Good morning everyone, thanks for joining me. I just wanted to come on because I've received a complete and utter random act of kindness and I'm absolutely bowled over. So I just want to thank this lady who has purchased something off my Amazon wish list. I added it to the description box below because one of my friends asked me to add it, and then when it come to Christmas she could get me something from it. And then what I also did was I added my glues and things that I use to it, so I can say to people, go look on my wish list, it's on there. And this lady's taken it upon herself to buy something from my wish list. I'm absolutely bowled over. It's never happened before, and I was really taken back when the man come to the door. I'm like, have I ordered something and not remembered what I've ordered? You know, we're one of them. So it says a gift note from Deb Drake, enjoy your gift. So thank you, Deb. I've looked on my Facebook and I'm not sure which Deb it is because I've got a few. There's two Deb, there's a Deborah and then a Deb Drake. So I didn't want to go and message, you know, and say, oh, thank you. And it was the wrong lady and look a right wally. So thank you ever so much, Deb. What she's got me is the Stamperia threads, and it's sewing themed. Now, the first ever real kind of journal I ever did was a sewing theme one, and I've had my eye, that's Yorkshire for you, had my eye on this paper for a long time. Let me have a look. Stamperia is the most beautiful paper. In my opinion, it is as beautiful as Graphic 45, but it's not quite as expensive as Graphic 45. It's still not cheap, which is why I was absolutely bowled over at this random act of kindness. So thank you so much. It's absolutely beautiful. So there you go. So you've got all of these cutouts here on this sheet. I'm going to just quickly show you. Look at that one. It's beautiful. So I'm going to make... I'll make a mini album out of these papers. I just feel you need to make a mini album or something out of them, or some kind of really nice folio. Look at that. I mean, that's going to be hard to cut. I might have to hoard it for a while and have a really big thing. It's absolutely beautiful. Love is the thread that binds us. It's just beautiful. And look at that. It's got lilies on it, and now I didn't know that. And anybody that knows me knows that lilies are my favourite. You know, my long-term followers and my friends know that lilies are my favourite flower. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's got lilies there. I didn't know. I think I'd looked at the papers, you know, because you can see the pages and stuff before you buy them, but I don't think I looked properly just how beautiful it is. Absolutely stunning. Oh, look at those. You could fussy cut those. Look at that. I had to wait a few moments before I came and shared with you because I was so bowled over, I was crying. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Again, you could cut that into sections. Make tags out of it maybe. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna have to hoard it for a bit and then I'll do a... Oh, look at that. It's just absolutely stunning. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. It's pure. Oh dear. I am really bad at treating myself to things like this. Even in Asda, here's a funny story for you. Even in Asda yesterday, what did I got? I picked up some of the big glass jar candles. I thought, oh, they'll be nice, I'll treat myself. And then I went down like the, you know, the cooking aisle with all the tins and things, and I really needed some storage, like big plastic Tupperware style storage tubs for my flour. because they just don't, the bags break and it annoys me. And so because I bought them, I put the candles back. I'm really careful, and I'm really mindful, and I very rarely treat myself to stuff. So this, that somebody else has treated me, it's just lovely. It really is. That is really bowled me over and made my day. So thank you so much, Deb. I really do appreciate it. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh, I think I'm going to put it back in the bag, and I'll have to just hoard it for a right little bit longer before I dare cut into it. But I just wanted to share that. How kind is that? So thank you ever so much. I'm really, you can't believe how grateful I am and how much you've made my day. So thank you, that's ever so kind. Right, I've got some cleaning to do today, and I'll be back on later on today with a tutorial for my box full of ephemera. So I'll see you later, ladies. Stay in, it's raining. It's not worth going out. Stay in where it's warm and craft. Take care, I'll see you soon. Bye.